What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today, as you guys can see from the title and thumbnail, we'll be working on the engine. Just gotta see if this camera is looking good. Let's open this hood. Today we're gonna be working on this wire stuff. Don't mind the garage is a mess, bumper, wheels, tires, well, socket balls and stuff, but as you guys can see, all this right here, all this here, all this right here, this will stay, but this will go under, this will come out, there's some stuff, these right here, all this will be moved, and yeah, see how this goes. Hopefully you guys like today's video. Don't forget to like, share with some friends via any Z's. Yeah, let's get started. Mine, honestly, it's not that dirty. I mean, yeah, it is dirty, but it needs some cleaning. But yeah, first unplug the battery. Okay, so took the battery off. First we're gonna start off with those 10mm bolts. There's this one right here. Those zip ties you don't need, just cut them out. This will come out. So yeah, let's get it started. There you go. This comes out. Oh, if it wants to come out, there you go. Goes around. This is for this right here, so just find a place. I'll put it right here so I remember and not forget. I can take this out later. Let's try and take this one out. This gotta come out. This coming out. This coming out. Alright. Let's take this out. This goes right there. They are all, you just gotta be careful pushing this. You do not want to mess it up because it's your fuel line. Also, this comes out. All those connectors, I have heard that it only goes to one connector, so you don't have to be worried that you put it in a different one. This can, I don't know how I'm gonna get that bottom one. That one needs some love. Finally, this one is coming out. There you go. There's another one down there. Keep in mind, you cannot work on this engine while it's hot. I mean, you could. You're trying to get burned and stuff. But let it be cold. Your back is gonna hurt. I just started. I mean, it's taking me longer. I just don't want to break stuff. Engine bay is no joke. So as soon as you just get it something sharp, that's it. Look at my hands. Oh yeah, there's dirty in this engine, man. Alright, there you go. That's it. This is done. It's gonna be under here, and then what is that? Those two would just be somewhere down here. This will go back here. This will go back here. Easy stuff. I mean, I hope, unless I'm doing something really wrong. This is gonna come out. One right here. This will come out definitely. This needs to go out. That's one. That's two. The GoPro keep hitting. Oh man. and then this unplugs from this one right here. Then you put it all the way straight up. Since this is just not coming out, this gives me more than enough space. This shit comes right out. There's actually, it's this one right here. It's the left one. There you go. That's what's up. Oh man, that's some. And that's just the sound of the plastic. There you go. Oh, my back hurts, man. I feel old. Okay. That's much. Yeah, man. Yeah, needs more. What else? There you go. This you don't need. But I was trying to cut that plastic thing. I would have wasted my time. This we'll leave at the end. We got these. These can go anywhere at the bottom, honestly. Just tuck them somewhere. Probably I'll put them down here. So I put this back, but just right here. Took this out, but there's another one down here, so that needs to come off. But yeah, that one is easy. As I said, these look the same, but I mean, I don't know. They look the same. They would probably go in no. But this one goes there. This one goes right there. This one right here. I'll take this out in a sec. Man. This will go inside here from this hole right here, and then we'll come out down here, and then we'll plug in right here. That one. And then this one, it's either I'm gonna do the same, but I don't think it's gonna reach. I'll just put it from here all the way down here and goes right through there. So I'll do that and get back to you guys. So just opening the dipstick, the oil. It's jammed in there. You wiggle it. There you go. This is probably plastic or something. You don't want to. Shit. You do not want to break it. Just saying. There you go. Yes, plastic. Push it through. See if I can see anything. Probably not. I can see it. Alright, so this took me honestly forever. I've probably been doing it for 10-15 minutes, maybe more, I don't know. But now it's the second one. But this motherfucker, I mean, probably the other one's gonna take me a long time, maybe not, I don't know, honestly. It's like so tight in between. For some reason, it's just, I mean, it's the engine, but the wire's not supposed to go through there. There you go. The second one goes easy. I mean, easy. Just the first one takes a little bit, but what you need to do is, so I've been pushing it this way. I keep pushing it this way. And then I was like, oh, actually it was this way. The bigger part was up, and then it was touching the metal. I tried this way, it was same. So I started doing it, and then I pushed it from here. I pushed it like that, and it was hanging. And I kept pushing from the bottom, from the top, and I kept pushing the wires also, till I just got a grip of it, and I just pulled it, and that's about it. Now this goes back here, or this goes right there. That's in place, and then this one goes under here. I wonder, let me see. Oh, there you go. There's a line, you can tell. Perfect. This, I should have just went under on top or something. This right here. No, I'm tripping. Which way is it? There you go. There you go. This will go here. But first, let's find these ground wires, find them in place. Maybe here would be good on these two. Right here. Shouldn't be a problem. Or right here. Let me see which spot is the best. Alright, so I'm just using this. There you go. This is done. Let's get on this side now. Let's get this side figured out. Ah man, that shit hurts. Alright, so I might take this thing off right here. It's so tight. I need this piece. That doesn't look like it. Trying to save some weight, you know what I mean? Nah, just kidding. I think it's all in a ball. I'm trying to open another one. Yeah, this where it meets one of the points where this right here touches. But we don't need that. Maybe, I mean, I don't know. Maybe we need that. What else? Alright, this is number 1. Number 2. Take it slow, easy. There you go. Number. Actually, I should just push these at the same time. In a place for those ground again, maybe somewhere down here. Just throw them here for right now. I thought the wire got cut, but it's just the outside. This goes back. If we can pull this a little more. This goes back here. There you go. I'll put that in a sec. For right now, gonna keep this because I'm gonna get this figured out. Probably go somewhere under here, push it through. We'll see how this goes. I don't want to close this yet, and this one because it needs to go back here. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so just put a zip tie all around. I almost missed it. And then it's just gonna go under there, but it feels like this is gonna come off. What I just did, I flipped it, so now it's all the way around. So when I pull on it, it should be good. So just keep feeding it. Almost there. It was stuck for a second. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna pull on it and see what happens. Let's see if this would work. There you go. I'll unplug this for now. I just put it back, but it'll be better because I'm trying to take this all the way through. That in a second. And now this goes back. I just pushed it down there. Let's go under here. There you go. Shouldn't have any problems. Put it back where it was. Put the other one. Right. So I put this back, all this in there under the fuel thing. Fuel line. I might just need to push this a little bit so this sits right here. Maybe I don't want to cause too much pressure right here, but should be good. Shouldn't be any problem. This is solid. I put the ones I took from, I believe, here. Put them right here. Put the line across. Everything is good. Just need to tuck on it. There you go. It's perfectly in place. Make sure this is in place. Just like that. This goes back here. One of the last pieces. Like that. This right here, which maybe we can route it. Ah man, that would have been nice. That would have been nice, but if we do take it this way, just to make it shorter. Keep forgetting. Everything is back together, like that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn the notifications on. Gonna finish these real quick and then call it a night. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace. Look at my hands, man. Peace out, guys.